Come on. Yeah, I've got a flat tyre. Right, so we're going on another pit bike mission, but yesterday I met my mate and I met him at High Melton Woods where I've never been before, and when I was riding around there, I should say, wow, I had a lot of fun. So I thought I'd go back today by myself on the pit bike. We're going on this, and I need a new seat because like you can see where I've been sat in this, yeah. I don't know, and it needs a clean, but should be fine for today. It's installed, yep. Come on, bike.
Got that throttle this way.
What button? What's it do?
It's in slow-mo.
That's a very majestic riding position. Back end came out then, Jesus Christ. So yeah, I've just got it's windy, it might be hard to hear me, but I've just got on the bit bike, getting ready to ride it through the woods, which is literally right there. All good, well, it sounds all good, but you ready? Yeah, I've got a flat tyre. Oh, I don't like this, it's scary. So our back wheel's still going now. I just quickly warm my hands up on engine. They're a bit cold.
And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love.
There's a one and turn.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one.
Oh, my God, it's coming out.
Don't you know?
Alright, I'm going to try and get it to straight mile, which is kind of close near here, just so I can meet my dad and he's going to have a look if it can be pumped up, so wish me good luck. And we just like pull into the field. Yeah, exactly. 1,150 at 110.
Yeah, then get ready, I'll bag a load of air in and you're just going to have to step off. You have to touch some air into it and then you'll just have to
Right.
just go for it. Right, go for it.
Love you. Thank you. I probably will with you like this.
did it all